everyone, it's KImora Blac and I am so excited because today's video, not only I'm gonna go ahead and play with some makeup, not only I'm gonna show you guys what's new, not only I'm gonna show you guys what's going on in the Jeffree times Morphe world, but you guys, I have a huge giveaway that I'm giving to one winner with the most easiest instructions. In order to find out what the instructions is, bitch, I need you guys to keep watching because, honey, I don't just give it all away right away. I am so excited today. I know you guys are not used to me in a full beat because I usually start from scratch. I usually start all like pimpled, no makeup, I just literally woke out of bed because you know what? I'm not ashamed of showing who I am. I'm not ashamed to show my creativity side. I want my channel to be a place where people come to really be themselves, get excited to play with makeup. This is not about being an expert. This is not about being, I'm super perfect at makeup. I don't want to learn because listen, every single day when it comes to makeup, you learn something new. So do I. I literally learn something new all the time. So you guys, in my studio, I literally have something that I want to show you guys. Jeffree Star and Morphe, the next collaboration, the finish to the whole collection. I'm so excited. Online, it is sold out. I'm so excited to play with the new PR. It's all about lips. It's all about liquid lipstick, glosses. But before we bring out the PR, before we bring out the new makeup, I also want to take this time for all my viewers out there. I'm going to be announcing my giveaway and every single thing that I have in the giveaway in the middle of this video, maybe towards the end. I don't know. You guys just got to watch and take a look and see. If you guys pay very close attention what I show you guys in this video, maybe something I'm giving away. I don't know yet. We'll find out. You guys just have to watch. So we have the PR. This is the gorgeous PR. Now I know online, I have honestly haven't seen a lot of influencers or people showing this off in their stories. I love this PR box. It is like a mimic of the first box. The first box is more like green and it still had a picture of Jeffree. It has like this crazy like mirror effect. I love that. So let's go ahead and open inside. We have the iconic photo of Miss Jeffree. I mean, he looks stunning. I mean, when does he not look stunning? Also, we have all of the products. So we have tons and tons of stuff here. I'm gonna go ahead and set this down. So if you guys will love this so much, take a print screen, take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you guys, first, what I'm very excited for is the actual Beauty Sponge Trio. So these are the Beauty Sponge Trio. These are beauty blenders, beauty sponges, whatever you want to call them. I call them little beauty blenders because they're beauty, they're small, they blend. So these are Beauty Blend Trio. There are 3 custom beauty sponges. The back, it does say the ultimate threesome. The only BS you need in life is beauty sponges. I love these so much. Now we came up with beauty blenders, beauty sponges. When these came out, I was so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. And this is the trio. Oh my god, you guys, so this size is so gorgeous. I've seen this size before. Now you guys, when you guys first get these sponges, they are tiny, so you can wet it. Now the question is, do you have to wet it? A lot of people actually don't, which actually surprises me because I was taught to wet it all the time. When I wet it, I felt like my foundation was more velvet, more finished, more like softer to use. I think when it was dry and as I'm going on my foundation, I'm actually taking off my foundation because the sponge is kind of like so dry, it needs some moist. So when the liquid foundation is so wet, it's just ready to be set. You kind of go on back and forth and it just started to pick up the foundation. So I kind of recommend wetting it, maybe just wetting it like this and you just kind of squeeze all the water out, do a little towel and then go. Very easy to use, you guys. Okay, so I have been raging and was wanting to see these in person because I've never seen these in person before. I've never actually seen baby ones. What the fuck is this, you guys? I literally want to make them into little earrings. I have been wanting a small sponge. Before I've seen these, I used to cut beauty blenders in half. My big beauty blender would never make it in the between my eyes and my nose. So I feel like once I wet this, I can actually like get like right here and just go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the brushes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, damn bitch, 8, 9 new brushes, you guys. We have 9 new fucking brushes. So what I was told is that these are face brushes. So this is pretty fucking amazing. I love face brushes. In the first collaboration, there were only eye brushes where we were all wondering, damn, are we not gonna get face brushes? And then what happened? Miss Star himself surprises us about the new face brushes. Now, not only he has these, but he also has these. So these are pretty dope. These are more like high-end, bitch. I'm that motherfucking shit. I fly fly to Emirates. How are you? This is like, bitch, I'm motherfucking professional makeup. I don't fly to Emirates, but I love makeup and it's sickening. So I love these a lot. I'm not gonna go ahead and open these today. You guys, I honestly know that these brushes are gonna work amazing. You guys know this very well too. Miss Jeffree Star, when she puts things out, it doesn't bullshit. So like, I mean, I love these already. I'm gonna keep these in the packages until I need them, because girl, a bitch got a lot of fucking brushes up in here. I'm gonna set these aside just down right here. And then now, this is what you guys have all been waiting for. And this is what is sold out online, which I'm super excited about. The motherfucking lip sets. So we have lip sets, and now you guys, it is that time. Remember I told you guys to keep watching and just to remember what I'm gonna tell you what my giveaway. All right, so let's go ahead and give the first set of instructions of the giveaway. To be a part of the KImora Blac giveaway, first, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like right now. Second, you have to follow me on my Instagram at KImora Blac. Third, you have to comment down on my YouTube video. Fourth, you have to tag 3 people on my Instagram that you love, or your best friends, whoever it is. That is the qualification. So, moving on, bitch. I haven't even told you guys what I'm giving away yet. Now, first we're gonna go ahead and do the Nude Lip Set and the Bold Lip Set, which I'm super excited about. I know that these are sold out online. These are called the Iconic Nudes. I think I remember him saying that these are his formula. Correct me if I'm wrong down below also as well, but I do think I remember seeing this morning that he said that this is his formula. Honestly, I'm gonna try it, so I'm gonna know very well, because I know the difference between what liquid lipsticks I'm wearing. So in here we do have the 3 nudes, and we have the 1 clear, and then there's a gold one, which is pretty awesome. You know what? I love nudes, so let's go ahead and open this up. So it does come with 3 glosses and 2 of his signature liquid lipsticks, which is, oh my god, I love Mannequin and I love Leo. Yes, work. I mean, I love these, gorgeous. They're like cute little mini size. We're just gonna go ahead and swatch on my hand and see, and then I'm gonna pick one that literally goes with my makeup look that I'm kind of like, you know what, that's gonna look good on me for my look today. So we have them here, you guys. They're so tiny. I'm gonna show you guys how tiny they are compared to the actual ones. Look how tiny they are. That's so cute. But we're gonna go ahead and just swatch a little bit of the Leo. Now, I love Leo. I've tried it before. It's one of my favorite nudes. Ooh. I mean, that's fucking pretty. Like, look how gorgeous that is. I mean, I love Leo. I mean, who doesn't love Leo? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the actual Mannequin. I love Mannequin. I've worn this before too. Look how cute that is. Mannequin is almost like a flesh tone color. It's very, very see-through. It's very, very like transparent, especially on my tan skin. We're gonna go ahead and swatch the glosses. So this is Slurp. Slurp is like almost gold. It's very see-through. It's gold. You know, one trick that I do love with glosses is I love to pair glosses with liner and just by itself. Sometimes when you put glosses on lipstick, it gets kind of like bleh. That's just me though. So this is First Impression. First Impression, it looks super clear. So anyone that wants to just wear a clear gloss, see right there. Okay, so it's right there. Okay, and then the last but not least, this is called Star Crown. So cute. This looks like it would look amazing with Mannequin, and this one's just gonna go swatch like this. It's almost like a vanilla. I love that. All right, you guys, so there you guys have it. That is the complete nude set. I love it. I mean, who does not need nudes, to be honest? So moving on to the next set. So this is the Iconic Bolds kit. So these are all the dark colors. These are all the reds. So inside of this kit, there is the 3 glosses and the 2 velour liquid lipsticks, Unicorn Blood and Red Drum, which I'm, oof, girl, I love Unicorn Blood. It's so pretty. We have the Gloss Berry Blast, Iconic, and Living for it. Okay, you guys, I already seen the color that I actually like want to wear. These are gonna be more of like the dark reds, the reds. This is like the shimmer, the pinks. There's also like a really soft clear. So these are it. We're gonna go ahead and swatch these on my hands as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put one on my lip because I know you guys have noticed that I ain't got no lips on. This is called Red Drum. Oh, I love it already. Okay, so this is Red Drum. It just looks very universal red. I love it. This is Unicorn Blood, which I love. Oh, I love it. I don't know which one I want to wear. Okay, so next we're gonna go right into the glosses. So this one is called Berry Blast. This to me looks very like a pink, very shimmery, very fun, very girly. Very just like that bitch. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch out here. So you guys can see here. Remember that first nude, it was kind of gold. This is kind of more like a baby pink. All right, and next one we're gonna go ahead and swatch Living for it. It kind of looks like the other one. Okay, so see you guys here. It kind of looks like that one. But they're both pink glosses. One is more pink. I feel like the specs or like the glitter and Living for it, there's like more, but they're kind of like similar to me. And let's go ahead and do the final one. So this one is called Iconic, and this one looks like it's like a sheer. So, oh my god, let me show you guys. That's the sheer. So I'm just like literally looking with the naked eye. This looks more pink than the other one. Now, I think it's time for me to throw on a liquid lipstick. I want to do something red. I want to do something fun today. I usually do nudes, but I'm getting a little bored. Now, I have used these before. I love them. And the reason why I do love these liquid lipsticks is because you don't really need a liner. If your hand is strong enough and your hand is precise, you can literally shape your lips perfectly. And I love that because usually I am a liner fanatic. I never wear lipstick without liner. With Jeffree Star lipstick, I can definitely go right on. I don't know which one I want to use. Oh, I don't know which one. I feel like I want to use Red Drum. I think I'm gonna use this one because my chopsticks and my hair is red. I kind of want to match it. Oh wow, wow, I love it. All right, guys, so it is on. Oh wow, I am so obsessed. I love it. I don't even feel like it's so dry. I don't feel it, which is actually something that I love. Remember when I said just wait and see what you guys are gonna get? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what you guys are gonna go ahead and get. One winner will receive the Jeffree Star times Morphe palette. This is it. Y'all will get one of these. The next thing you guys are gonna go ahead and get is gonna be the Nude Iconic set. Literally these nude colors. So you guys are gonna get all 5 of these little babies. And then the third gift you guys are also gonna get is you guys are gonna get the bold one. So you guys are gonna go ahead and get bold. It's literally, you guys are gonna get all of these. Not mine. I'm gonna get you guys new ones, bitch. I know it's sold out. I'm not giving you mine. This is mine, bitch. Also, because I love you guys so much, I'm gonna even add more in. So the first set of instructions, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Second, you have to follow my Instagram at KImora Blac. Third, you have to comment down below. And then fourth, you have to tag 3 people on the photo of this video on my Instagram that you think will be very, very interested in this contest. I'm gonna have tons and tons and tons of giveaways in the future, I promise. If this goes well and you guys love it this much, I don't mind, bitch. They don't call me auntie for no reason, bitch. So I want you guys to follow the instructions. I'm so excited. Also, if you guys have not hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button because I have videos out every single Tuesday, Friday of the week. I do not miss it. There's no excuse. It doesn't matter where I'm at in the world. I love you guys so much. This is KImora Blac, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in a few days.